Hi there, folks. It's Elaine with WTI. I've been told that there's nothing warmer than a wool blanket, and this cozy merino wool blanket by the Woolly Mammoth Woolen Company is solid proof of that. It keeps me warm when I want to enjoy the fresh air and have coffee and just relax. Yet it was lightweight enough to carry to take to the hospital, and it kept my friend Toasty warm when she got the shivers. This olive green is so gorgeous to display, and there are many other beautiful colors such as brown, burgundy, gray, navy blue, orange, plaid, and tan. And I love the signature label. I think its simple, elegant design elevates any part of the house. It fits my full-size bed with its generous size of 66 by 90 inches. Some people say that my 5'6" frame is tall, but I love wrapping up in this blanket. Its nap is so soft, you may not ever want to take it off. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that's just my point of view.